little yogis. I'm Mimi, and I'm so happy you're here. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to Nimi. Let's take a gentle breath together. Sit tall with your legs straight in front of you and your hands beside your hips. Imagine your back growing long like a tall tree. Your back strong and helps you sit up straight with confidence. Bring your feet together, flutter gently, and feel peaceful. You're flying high, and your mind feels lighter already. Fold forward slowly, relax your shoulders, and breathe calmly. This pose makes your back soft, your legs flexible, and your mind quiet. Now stretch to the right side. Your spine and helps your mind slow down. Open your legs wide and reach your right arm toward the left foot. Sit tall, gently twist to the right, and breathe slowly. Release the twist softly and return to the center. Sit tall, gently twist to the left, and breathe slowly. Release the twist softly and return to the center. Kneel down, bring your big toes together, and rest your forehead on the mat. Feeling cozy? That's your body saying thanks for the break. Lift your hips up, stretch your back, and feel your body lengthen. Step your right foot forward, relax your hips, and breathe gently. Your left leg forward and sink softly into the stretch. Bend down slowly and touch your toes. Let your head relax. Excellent! This pose helps your body relax and makes your legs flexible. Bring your hips low, hands together, and relax your shoulders. Lift up slowly and stand gently. Place your hands under your shoulders and lift up like a friendly cobra. Pose makes your spine strong and fills you with courage. Take one last deep breath in and slowly let it go. You did so well today. Your mind is calm, your body is relaxed, and your heart is peaceful. Thank you for practicing with me. If you enjoyed this yoga time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Yogi Buddies. See you in the next calm and happy session. My.